First look of the OnePlus 7T. Hey guys, so, new renders and a 360-degree video of the OnePlus 7T have been posted on the Price Baba website, via noted leaker on leaks. The images shows off all angles of the rumored follow-up to the OnePlus 7. They seem to be in line with previous leaks of the phone, which shows a circular design on the back for the phone's camera sensors. The circular module, with a rather noticeable bump, includes 3 rear cameras for the OnePlus 7T, which are arranged horizontally through the center of the circle, with a flash located below the center camera. The OnePlus 7 had just 2 rear cameras, so it will be interesting to find out the hardware specs for the OnePlus 7T's triple camera setup. The OnePlus 7T uses a teardrop notch design on the front display for its single selfie camera, which is similar to the standard OnePlus 7. According to the report, the dimensions of the phone will be 161.2mm in height, 74.5mm in width, and 8.3mm in thickness, and the display could be as large as 6.5 inches. The renders also show the power button, an alert slider placed on the right side of the device, with the volume button on the left. There's a USB-C port, a SIM card tray and a speaker on the bottom, along with an earpiece and microphone on top of the phone. The OnePlus 7T and 7T Pro will be likely unveiled next month, alongside the OnePlus TV. And OnLeaks says that the company will announce the OnePlus 7T McLaren Senna edition as well. So that's it for this video. Let me know what do you think about the OnePlus 7T. Also don't forget to hit the like button, and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.